The Kingdom of Fantasy. Ah! Okay, moving to slime. Ah, that's the lid. Sorry. Now, oh, ponies. Pretty, let me go to the side. Beep, 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 beep. There we go. Now the butt. Hey, he farted. Oops, it's upside down. Okay, now, look, some treats. Isn't that cute? Don't eat them. Banquet, preschool, kindergarten, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, and Canada, which is supposed to be grade 5. And what should I show you? And it's me, taking a picture in the mirror. Oops, it's blurry. Hello, star. Now, my mouth. Ah, tooth. Ooh, it looks pretty. Let's stop now. Oh, wait, I want to show you something. Oh, no. Ah. See? Look. And there's the title. Here's the book in full version. Now, here's the guide, and here's what's inside it. See? Now it's time to close up. Oh no, I have to shut off the thing. Boink.